Apple's new Vision Pro headset truly revolutionized this era of AR technology. It's unlike any other AR headset we've seen so far, and those who got a chance to try it out are absolutely fascinated by its performance. But seeing the price tag, most people aren't really happy. But what might be the reason behind its hefty price tag? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
First of all, this AR headset does not include just one processing power. Instead, it has two. The powerful M2 chip, which provides power to the entire system, and the all-new R1 chip that helps develop a more realistic augmented reality experience. With the combined power of these two processors, we could never expect it to come in cheap. Secondly, the production cost for the Apple Vision Pro is a lot higher than we can imagine. ColdFusion, in the recent analysis video, has mentioned that per unit exceeded around $1,500 cost. And judging by the build quality, it actually makes sense. It offers a custom-built micro OLED display for each eye featuring 23 million pixels and more than 5,000 nits of brightness. And according to Apple, the resolution per eye is more than 4K. On top of that, the headset also includes advanced eye tracking technology with a built-in infrared camera with mini LED illumination, providing smooth and precise eye tracking. Most reviewers said it was by far the smoothest navigation they've ever done with their eyes. What's even more impressive is their sensor cameras that have been placed at the front of the headset. This sensor allows users precise head and hand tracking and real-time mapping. As a result, no additional controllers are needed, so everything can be controlled with a simple gesture of your hands or fingers. And once again, none of the AR headsets were able to successfully pull this design off till now before Apple. Another big reason why Vision Pro is so expensive is because of its Pro label. Yes, the name itself says Apple Vision Pro, and there is a possibility we'll be able to see a potential lower variant of this AR headset in the future. Also, the targeted audience for this particular device doesn't seem like ordinary buyers. Mainly those who are highly invested in augmented reality, Apple seems to target that audience with this price range. In the end, we gotta admit, it's by far the most advanced AR headset we have seen. Even though the price range is completely out of reach for ordinary buyers, its internal specification and impressive navigation technique truly make it stand out from other AR or VR devices. So that was all about why the Apple Vision Pro costs $3,500. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.